everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix invalid login credentials login. Is Notion lady telling you invalid login credentials on iPhone? Let's fix it fast. Make sure you're using the same email, Google or Apple ID we are signed up with. Next, if you have forgot, reset your password. If using you're going to reset your password if you have used email. Type forgot password, enter your email, check your inbox and reset password. Next, if you are using Apple ID, then just click Apple ID and sign in with your Face ID. In the last, you're going to first close the Notion and then reopen it or reinstall your workspace is safely synced in the iCloud. Privacy tip: only enter credentials on the official Notion app or notion.so to avoid phishing. Quick fix: if email login fails, try signing in with Google or Apple. Works instantly on iPhone. Subscribe for more fast Notion fixes.